Hello, Dave here, and today we're going to take a look at how to use QwertyTown's CSV system to update and upload rosters in QwertyTown. We have a number of roster management tools that are available to you, and you can see videos that describe each method on our YouTube channel. But for today, we're going to focus on how to use CSV spreadsheets to update batches of students and teachers. This is really ideal for when you're trying to make changes to 100, 200, 300 users at a time. So I'm going to log in with a school admin account. You can do this with a district admin account as well. When I click Edit next to a school, I notice down here on the left, 3 import buttons: Get Teacher Template, Get Student Template, and Upload CSV File. We're going to be using those buttons today. So I'm going to walk you through the steps that you would follow if you wanted to create new teachers and then new students for the upcoming school year. First thing I would do is create my teachers. So I'm going to click Get Teacher Template, and that will download this CSV, which is a spreadsheet file. And you'll notice that it has 5 columns: username, password, email, first name, and last name. There are also 5 pieces of sample data here. What you'll do is just delete these and put in your own information. And you can create anywhere from 1 teacher to a large number of teachers at a time. So to save time, I've already created 1 teacher for the purposes of this video. Tutorial teacher 3 is the username. First name tutorial, last name teacher. So I'm going to upload this person into the system. I'll go back to QwertyTown. Now I'm going to click that Upload CSV File button. And from this drop-down, I'm going to make sure that I'm telling the system I'm creating teachers here. I'll click Choose File, click on my teacher template, and submit. The system is telling me that I had just added 1 new user. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard and see if it came out correctly, and look at that, tutorial teacher. A class was automatically created in the system for that teacher as well. So again, if I hit Edit School, I can see that there's a 3rd class. But that class is empty. I need students now. So I'll follow the same process for students. I'm going to click Get Student Template and download it. Once again, I've already populated a student template with some sample data. A couple of things of note here. 5 columns: username, password, first name, last name, and grade. That last column for grade is optional, but I'll show you why that's really useful. Right now I'm only doing a batch of 5 students. But if I had a batch of 100 students, let's say, by differentiating which grade each student is in, it'll be easier to find them later when you want to sort them into their classes. So just keep that in mind. One other note, I really have to point this out. For this test, I'm setting the same password for all 5 of these students. Don't ever actually do that with real students. You never want to give everybody the same password. Very insecure. Unique passwords, please. Okay, so I've got my student batch here. I'm going to upload them into the system. I'm going to click Upload CSV File. Make sure that I'm creating students. Go find that file and submit. Once again, created those 5 users I wanted. That's great. When you add students using CSVs, they're not going to automatically go into classes. What will happen is they're going to be added to the unassigned students list. If I hit Edit for this class, you'll notice that there's nobody in the class yet. But I have this list of unassigned students. These are all the kids in your school that have not been sorted into a class yet. So again, pretending that we have a list of 100 students here, what if I just wanted to find the couple of 6th grade students and add them? Not only can I search for a specific student by name in here, I can even just put in the number 6. And now it's looking at the kids that are in grade 6. Bubba Trammell and Turk Wendell. So I'm going to click their names and click Add to Class. And here they are in my class. So I'll save my changes. And now if I click Edit School, and take a look at that class. Here they are. One last thing that I should note as well is that you can use these CSVs to update information for students or teachers that are already in QwertyTown. So if you wanted to change a student's first or last name or their password, you could do that. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around in QwertyTown.